Today we are at the Longleaf Elementary Pond where we are installing the Martin Floating Wetland Treatment Systems paired with turbidity curtains. These ponds currently have what we call short circuiting. Basically that means our inflow is really close to our outflow structure, so we're not getting the full potential of our pond. So the idea is to extend the flow path of the pond using the Martin Wetland Treatment System and the turbidity curtain paired together to ultimately extend the flow path of the pond and get the full volumetric optimization of the pond. This is one of the 3 sites that we are implementing this design.
A floating treatment wetland is a constructed wetland that's used to improve water quality in stormwater ponds. The plants, through a process of phytoremediation, accretion, and the biofilm that's developed within the plant, takes up the nutrients and it is harvested later through the leaves when they're removed. The islands are attached together. They're made of 100% PET, recycled water bottles. They have a 20-year guarantee on them. They're buoyant, you can walk on them for maintenance purposes. This project is also using turbidity curtains to direct the flows. These are about 10 feet deep with a chain on the bottom. So the water will come in off Wickham and then be directed around and through the island and the plant system to be cleaned.
Stormwater ponds are used throughout the county to treat the rainwater that goes down the storm drains. When the water enters in, it helps remove some of the excess nitrogen and phosphorus pollution to prevent it from getting into the Indian River Lagoon. Some of the older stormwater ponds were able to retrofit with newer technologies like this to further increase the amount of pollution that they can remove. If you happen to live along a stormwater pond, there's things you can do to help reduce the amount of nutrient pollution going into the pond itself. Things like leaving a no-mow zone close to the edge to keep grass clippings out, or even planting native plants to create a buffer zone both along the shore and in the water. Additionally, if you do fertilize, you should keep at least a 10 to 15 foot buffer without any fertilizer near the edge of the water. Even if you don't live along a stormwater pond, you can help them to be more efficient. Things like grass clippings that get into the streets and roadways wash down into the storm drains and enter these ponds. So by blowing them back into your yard, you're going to keep them from getting into the pond and becoming muck and nutrient pollution. If you want to learn more ways that you can join all of us in helping to get to a healthier lagoon faster, visit us at lagoonloyal.com.